Hi everyone, Natasha LaFramboise here. Just wanted to take a moment to wish everyone a very happy Easter from the LaFramboise team, myself, Matt, and Phil. We hope this weekend you have some time to reflect and share the long weekend with your family and friends. Now, we don't have any open houses this weekend, but we are in town and we are here if you need us. If you want to see a house, if you have any questions, if you're thinking, forward to next week, we are still here. You can reach us directly on our cell phones or at 705-475-2222. We're always happy to help or have a quick chat. Again, we just want to wish everyone a very happy Easter. Hope you can get outside and enjoy some of the spring weather that we've been having. If this rain lets up this weekend, it'd be great for everyone to get outside and enjoy the Easter long weekend. So happy Easter, everyone, from myself, from Matt and Phil. It's Natasha LaFramboise, sales representative with the LaFramboise team of the Realty Executives.